What's up, everybody? This is Chris bringing you cryptocurrency news daily. This is my first segment. I'm going to be bringing you what's in the news about cryptocurrency every day. My first article here is from CNBC. These articles are actually from yesterday, February 15th. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late getting them out. I will be doing another video this evening that will have articles from today, so it will be daily news. But first here is from CNBC. This one is talking about just kind of the run on Bitcoin lately. It yesterday was up over 8%, held steady just over 10,000 for most of the afternoon. I did know this morning it's dropped just below 10,000 again. But this article talks about Fundstrat Global Advisor Tom Lee predicting Bitcoin will be back over 20,000 by July, is his prediction. In January, he predicted it to be 25,000 by the end of the year, but honestly, I think that's a pretty low projection, but we'll see. You know, it's such a volatile market. We'll see what happens. And it talks about how there's the fear of missing out is back in the markets, and with everything going on with the Chinese New Year, things are looking positive again with all the bad press mostly getting out of the news. There's always going to be bad press, though. Next here, this one is from TechCrunch, talking about a new app or new website you can sign up with here. It's called CoinTracker. What CoinTracker is going to do is it's going to keep track of every single transaction you do. Right now they're signed up, currently support 13 exchanges. This will be great for tax purposes. The IRS is starting to threaten and breathe down the necks of cryptocurrency investors and force us to claim our profits and losses. So this right here would be an amazing tool to keep track of everything you do for tax purposes. CoinTracker. From this website, you can go visit their website. There's going to be a link right here. And I'll put links to all these articles in the description so that you can check them out for yourself. Next up is this one's talking about some issues Coinbase has had. Coinbase admits to overcharging credit and debit cards. Transactions were being charged multiple times. They have vowed to reimburse those affected. They've said to keep track of their Twitter and their blog to see what's going on with this. If you've been affected, I would definitely recommend contacting Coinbase as fast as you can to let them know that you are somebody that needs help with it. Next one here, this one is going to be going over hedge funds. Tyler Durden of Zero Hedge talks about how hedge funds have increasingly been getting involved in cryptocurrencies. It has doubled in the last 4 months, and there's up to over 226 global hedge funds with the strategy of investing in Bitcoin and different cryptocurrencies. So this is a sign pointing to, you know, the world and the business world is starting to realize that cryptocurrencies are not going anywhere. And this one is going to be some good news coming out of Wyoming. We have some bills being passed to support the blockchain. First, there are actually 4 bills that were introduced here. The first one is House Bill 0070, and that will exempt crypto exchanges from legally being considered brokers or dealers. And that is a big deal. You know, that would open up exchanges to be able to operate a lot easier. And then you also have House Bill 0101, and that aims to make filing LLCs for Internet of Things companies much easier, making it much easier to set up a cryptocurrency exchange company or things of that nature. Then you have House Bill 0019, aims to exempt cryptocurrencies from the state's money transmitter laws. So, we'll see how all these works out. There is an unnumbered bill also that aims to allow Wyoming to store company ownership records and other financial documents on the blockchain. So, it really looks like Wyoming is trying to get ahead of the curve, along with some other states that have, made some moves to position themselves to work with blockchain rather than try to diminish it or regulate it. So, it's looking positive. Now, the next one here, U.S. probe, they find that the Federal Communications Commission has investigated a Brooklyn-based mining operation for interfering with T-Mobile broadband network. Now, I honestly didn't even know this was possible for a mining operation to interfere with a broadband network, but this seems to be a pretty big deal. The FCC determined the mining project generated spurious emissions on frequencies assigned to T-Mobile's broadband network and caused harmful interference. In a letter, the FCC stated that continued use of the Antminer S5 Bitcoin miner would constitute a violation of federal law. It doesn't state anything about prison time, but it does say fines and a lot of other stuff. So I would do some research on this if you're thinking about mining or if you run a mining operation. I would check into what kind of broadband you are interfering with, if you are at all. Definitely worth looking into. The last article I'm going to go over here goes over Ripple. Ripple has another new partner. Ripple has been touting a lot of new partners lately. We shall see what happens, what comes with all of it. But the new one is the UAE exchange. It's going to make UAE the first real-time money transfer business in the Middle East. The only thing that's unknown here with their partnership is whether or not UAE plans to use actual Ripple XRP coins to do their transfers, or if they're doing the agreement to just basically get the blockchain technology. That is still unseen and we don't know. It's kind of the same thing with MoneyGram. Whenever MoneyGram signed on with Ripple, it sounds like it's mostly just tests and seeing if it's going to work for their operation. Like I said, it could be very good news for Ripple. It could mean nothing. But we shall see. Ripple has had some good news lately, but I know a lot of people aren't real big on Ripple because of the fact that they control so much of their coins. So we shall see. But thank you for watching today. That's going to conclude my segment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be bringing you daily cryptocurrency news, and we look forward to talking to you a little bit later.